Did you know there are YouTube channels making over $10,000 a month without the creator ever showing their face or even using their own voice? Welcome to the era of faceless AI channels. If you're shy, don't have a professional camera, or just want to stay anonymous while building a massive income stream, this is for you. Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint to automate a YouTube channel from scratch using the power of AI. Let's dive in. The secret to a successful faceless channel is the niche in the US market. You want a high CPM niche, which means advertisers pay more to be on your videos. Think about personal finance, luxury lifestyles, or AI tutorials. These topics attract premium advertisers, meaning you earn more money with fewer views. Don't just make funny cat videos. Build a brand that provides value or entertainment in a specific category. Now, let's talk about the engine. Step 1. The script. Use ChatGPT or Claude. Ask it to write a high-retention YouTube script about your topic. Step 2. The voice. Gone are the days of robotic voices. Use ElevenLabs. Their AI voices are indistinguishable from humans. Just paste your script and download the audio. Step 3. The visuals. Tools like InVideo or Pictory can automatically turn your text into a video with stock footage. Or use Canva to assemble high-quality clips from pixels. To grow fast in 2026, consistency is your best friend. Aim for 2 long videos and 3 shorts a week. But don't just wait for AdSense. You can start making money from day 1 through affiliate marketing. If you're making a video about best tech tools, put your affiliate links in the description. 1 click from a US viewer could earn you a $50 commission. This is how you turn a small channel into a full-time business. Starting a faceless channel is the ultimate low-risk, high-reward side hustle. It takes effort, but the AI tools we have today make it 10 times easier than it was a year ago. If you want my personal list of the top 10 faceless niches for 2026, comment AI below. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen Wealth.